a widow's cry of anguish, and a chief minister's claims to bring law and order to the state under the scanner. The flashpoint, enough to force the resignation of this man, Raja Bhaiya, often seen as the notorious Don of Kunda.
अखिलेश यादव खुद जो है इस चीज को हैंडल करे, वरना मैं जाके अखिलेश के घर के सामने मैं मर जाऊंगी.
After the widow filed a complaint that Raja Bhaiya had conspired to kill her husband, DSP Zia-ul Haq, and made her protest public, the chief minister forced Raja Bhaiya to resign.
मैंने हाउस में भी कहा कि बात अगर यहां तक बढ़ती कि किसी को सीओ के हत्या कराने के बारे में सोचना पड़ता तो उससे ज्यादा आसान ये था कि उसका ट्रांसफर करा दिया जाता.
But the DSP's killing has evoked anger in the area. The state DGP was heckled by angry relatives. Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav under fire for failing to handle multiple instances of vandalism and kidnapping by his own ministers has promised justice.
अगर वो चाहते हैं कि जांच सीबीआई से हो तो सीबीआई से जांच करने का सरकार प्रस्ताव भेज देगी और जो उसकी कार्रवाई होती है उस कार्रवाई को करेगी सीबीआई जांच के लिए.
As the opposition pointed fingers,
उत्तर प्रदेश की स्थिति बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो गई है. वहाँ पर अभी प्रेसिडेंट रूल लगने की जरूरत है.
Akhilesh's father and Samajwadi Party Supremo Mulayam Singh continue to defend him.
मायावती जी बोलना अनावश्यक है. वो हाल है सूप बोले तो बोले चलनिया बोले जब 72 छेद.
Under fire for protecting the powerfuls, UP police suspended 3 officers and promised arrest if there is evidence to nail Raja Bhaiya.
We will exactly do as per the law. The rule of law will prevail.
But questions are being asked. Why were the 2 arrests made 24 hours after the widow of slain police officer Zia-ul Haq registered a complaint? If Gudu Singh is believed to be a close aide and driver of Raja Bhaiya, why hasn't the UP police questioned the Kunda strongman? Was Gudu Singh carrying the licensed revolver of Raja Bhaiya at the time of the crime? Why has the police not recovered the murder weapons so far? Will this case meet the similar fate as other cases that involved ministers in the past?
In a preemptive move, half an hour before the UP Assembly session began, Akhilesh Yadav accepted the resignation of Raja Bhaiya. But knowing the clout he has enjoyed in successive Samajwadi Party governments, the question is, will he be let off after being booked in the case? With video journalist K. Bimbadar in Lucknow, Maria Shakil.
The question is the Akhilesh government under pressure not to act against Raja Bhaiya, and will he be arrested? The UP police is denying any sort of political pressure to go slow on the former minister. Here is the additional Director General of Police in the state speaking to Rajdeep Sardesai.
There is a general feeling that Raja Bhaiya has been allowed to resign so that you don't have to arrest him.
We registered the case. Even registration of a case against sitting minister of the cabinet, I don't think it's a very small step, and we took that step.
The fact that the widow was determined to take this case forward, that you have even acted in terms of an FIR and charging Raja Bhaiya. What about arresting him?
The charges against him that has been registered is the criminal conspiracy, and you prove the criminal conspiracy only when you find the evidence, you find the real criminal, and then you try to find out the links with the other people.
I have given a long list of the various ministers who have charges. Do you believe that there is a reluctance to act against them, and we are slowly but surely returning back to Gunda Raj?
I agree with you, because that has been the tradition in the Samajwadi Party.
Is there political pressure on you somewhere to go slow on Raja Bhaiya?
I didn't ask anybody that I am getting the case registered. Believe you me.
Do you really believe that they will put the likes of Raja Bhaiya behind bars for an extended period?
Now it's time for Akhilesh to act, and I think he'll be sensible enough not to get misguided or pressurized.